With a lack of properties on the market comes the challenge of finding a generous family home. 27 Coonowrin Crescent in Mountain Creek is perfectly suited to those wanting extra space inside and out. One of the much larger homes and blocks in the area, yet you're still a short distance to shops, parks and the beach. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you at the next open home. For those of you interstate or outside the area, we're more than happy to walk you through the property virtually. I'm Joel Hood and I look forward to meeting with you soon.